Hi, everybody. This is a summary for our business development section. In this section, you're going to learn about what we need to look for in business development. Where are we looking and what are we looking for? So we're going to get into catastrophe. Do you to cat or not to cat? That is the question. Catastrophe work is not for everybody. And so we're going to get into that. We're going to get into vital document recovery. We're going to get into where do you find fire, water, mold projects, and how do you secure them? So we're going to cover all the bases on that. We also have some guest speakers. Jack Workingthing is going to have his section in here also, as well as Tim Miller, both experts at building successful teams and business development. And so we're giving you a well-rounded section in business development. I have several different speakers in here and entrepreneurs that are going to give you their advice on how they've succeeded and the pitfalls that they had also. And so with that, I will see you in our business development piece. Very excited about this. Again, I have a section in there, and also I'll have some breakouts for you. And also Jack Workingthing and Tim Miller will have breakouts also. And so very excited. I will see you in business development. Thank you very much and talk to you soon.